Okay, welcome to the 2021 DCG Ordinary Level Exam. Okay, so I'm going to do this one, question B3. So we've the graphic on the right shows a model of a structure from the Crazy Golf Park, and we've got a tunnel created. So below we've got the elevation and incomplete plan. So the elevation is perfect, but the plan is incomplete. The outline profiles, the outline of it, okay, of the cut section of the tunnel is shown. Draw the given elevation and incomplete plan of the structure. So you're going to get marks for drawing some of the heavy lines there. Part B, complete the plan showing all lines of interpenetration between the tunnel and both ends of the structure. And part C, complete the end view of the structure. So we're getting marks in part B then, okay, for showing where, you know, the cut section, the invisible cut section for the tunnel intersects the the structure, and we want to show then the lines of intersection between them, so the hidden detail lines. So here's our dimensions. So it's 170 by 90 wide and 60 high is the outline. 50, 65, 20 and 55. So we get started there. So I'm going to draw in my XY line. So I'm drawing in my XY line. Now I'm going to mark 170 along that XY line. So the height is 60. So the outline height is 60. Now I'm going to plot the dimensions over. So up 10, okay, over 85, okay, and marking back here, I think it's 20. Check now. Yeah, 20, and then 85 and 55 is 140. 140. So I can do light lines down there. That's I'll need for my plan view. Okay. Now, depths, okay, as we can see, 10, 25, 15 up from the bottom. So 10, 25 and 15. 10, 25 and 15. 10, 25 and 15. So we can lightly put them across. And then we have slope line here, sloped line there, heavy detail here, and then on the side I think we're going down there and back to here, and we can put in our hidden detail. So we have a hidden detail line here in elevation, a hidden detail line here. Put that one in there just because you'd be an age watching me just draw in a hidden detail line. Didn't think there was any point in that. Now, that's the elevation done. Okay, so we'll do the plan now. So we'll drop our lines down. Okay, and we'll draw our outline plan. Now we'll go down about 15. And the plan view is 90 wide. So the plan view is 90 wide. And there's going to be two heavy lines representing an edge view, the front face and the back face. I'll just move the visualizer down. Okay, now before the, so that's going to be the outline there, and this is going to be an edge down in plan. So I'm going to heavy in this line and this one. Now what I'm going to do now is realize that the outline profile of the tunnel, so the outline profile of the tunnel is centered 40, so 40 there and 20 in there for the middle. So I'm going to put that outline profile to do these hidden detail lines. So I have the center there, and I'm going to mark 20 either side of the center line and 10 either side of the center line. And there's light lines, right? And now, so we have an opening here, okay, or sorry, an edge here, edge there, and then we have another edge here and here, right? And then we're going to have heavy detail here, and we'll have some heavy detail here, but we'll also have a slope and hidden detail. So I'm just going to show you that now in SolidWorks. So there was on about slope detail, or I mixed them around there, so I put that's the slope detail there, and that's the heavy detail. So it is, or sorry, the horizontal line there and the slope line. So you can see that's going in, that's a distance of 10 there between them, half and half, right? So what you could do there is, like, if you're struggling to visualize that, you could use you could draw in your end view first to help you out. Right, so I'm going to connect here, and here, and then this is the end of it here, so I'm going to bring this down and heavy that in, and heavy that in, and then we look back at our model. So we're going to have some horizontal lines here and slope lines there. I think I might have said otherwise earlier, but that's what it is there. So I'm going to drop this down. And there we go, and then I'm going to take an end elevation. So I'm going to draw in a 45-degree line, bring these lines across, project upwards. So we're on part C now. So we're going to get the profile of the shape we were drawing. Okay, the outline profile is going to be there. That's critical in it. So 40 along the bottom. There we go. And there's our end elevation complete. There we go. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.